Hello, Danny Brown from MarineMax in Palm Beach Gardens here. We're having a look today at the Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. This is a 2019 factory fresh, located in Palm Beach Gardens at PGA Marina. Twin 350 Mercury Verados with joystick docking, underwater lights, horizon hull, power tower, nice lounger off the back there, big cockpit area, 2 double helm seats, twin screens, joystick, premium stereo. Just a beautiful boat located here at PGA Marina in Palm Beach Gardens. As I say, my name is Danny Brown. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 561 800 4339.